For sale, 1993 Ford F-350 4x4 quad cab with high output 302 cubic inch engine. Previously owned by retired custom vehicle designer and builder as his private truck. It was built for his hunting adventures with plenty of power, yet it obtains great gas mileage by installation of a high output Mustang 302 cubic inch engine and higher gear front and rear end differentials, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It was very well maintained on a regular maintenance schedule by his mechanics. The interior was removed and sound insulation was installed in all areas of the cab. Seats 6 people. Americraft fiberglass camper shell, when new, sold for $3,000. Uniroyal Liberator tires, 285/75/16. Aluminum rims, 172-inch wheelbase, curb weight approximately 6,500 pounds. Bench seat front and rear, long bed, 1 ton, 38-gallon gas. Odometer reads 103,602. This truck is located in Show Low, Arizona, 85901. An Arizona truck, not a cut-up zombie teenager's truck from the Rust Belt states with aftermarket junk added. Just an old guy's truck that he put together for himself and took care of. Please refer to the pictures in the video to see more details. You can see a video of this truck and others we built or sold on YouTube at Survival TV Network.